Happy Wednesday. Washed my hair for the first time. The shower was so pink. So pink. But didn't fade too much actually. It still looks really good. Just a little less intense, which is nice. And I've got a little bit of a little face on because I have to do a little reel for my Rent the Runway clothes. So probably gonna set up for that now, get that done hopefully before Austin gets home, and get that edited. So that's the plan for the day. Hello and happy Thursday. It's Thursday, right? We are heading down to Ocean City. We're gonna spend the weekend down there with the old ladies, and we just stopped by my mom's and stopped by Mom's grocery store, picked up a couple things, and we are heading down now. Got my little J. Crew dress on, my Earthbones necklace, my Torrid sunglasses, and then I've got my tan and white Vans on. And of course, I loaded up the Straw Stella because it's so summery, beachy. Early today, so hopefully we avoid a lot of traffic, and I'll check in once we get there. We're having pasta for dinner, zucchini, mushrooms, some olive in mine. They are having a Beyond Meat meat sauce with theirs. Austin's got the Follow Your Heart parm.
You want some of this?
We make some delicious looking garlic bread too. It looks delicious. We're down at the pool, relaxing a little. Austin's in the water, and I'm just kind of dipping my feet in. Relaxing. It's been a nice, chill travel day. This bathing suit's real cute on the boobs. We're having some bagels this morning, and I put olives on mine because I always love olives on a bagel. We're down at the pool again. It was kind of cloudy today, so we're having another pool day. I think we'll do beach tomorrow. Trying to keep my hair out of the water. I read a little more of my Jonathan Van Ness book. I'm about to hop back in the pool. What was this called again?
Thai fried rice.
Thai fried rice. It smells amazing. The tofu looks really good too. Got the Penang curry, and it looks so good. Hey y'all. It is Friday evening. Austin and I just had a little date night and went to Thai Ocha. Is that what I think it's pronounced? I have no idea. But we hadn't gone there before. They have their own separate vegan menu. So if you ever go there and you're vegan, which I think a decent amount of you are if they watch, you could ask for the vegan menu. So it's everything separated out and nice and easy. And Austin got some fried rice. I got a Penang curry. They were both very good. The coconut milk makes it a pinch sweeter than I care for, but that's just kind of what you get with coconut milk stuff. But it was good. I got the Thai hot, and for me it could have been hotter. It's not quite as hot as I would have liked, but I think I heard a guy at another table order like chilies on the side, so I think I'll do that if we go back again, which I think we'll probably go back again, right?
Yeah.
That's good. And it's very like unassuming, not quite hole in the wall, but very like low key, so I can't imagine if you do go there, it would be too hot and too busy. You should be able to get a seat right away. We're back at Island Creamery, and I have the mocha and chocolate again. And Austin got the watermelon sorbet, which is really good. We're at the beach. I've got my bucket of cocktail. I'm reading my book. We're relaxing, and it's just delightful. Say hi, Justin.
Hi, Justin. It's a beautiful day out here.
We're on the beach.
Seagulls are walking around.
We're drunk. We're having a good time. I have such a tummy ache of drinking so much liquid.
Right
A
on
bird pooped on Austin's shoe.
Of all the places, right on, I guess it's better than on my head.
That's so yucky.
Good? Yes.
Here's dinner. It looks delicious.
Well, Austin says it's okay.
Have spicy margarita. Look at this pizza. It looks so good. It's a cauliflower crust. It's cherry peppers, red onion, and olives. Good morning and happy Monday. We are heading over to get some bagels. And then we're probably going to clean up and digest and then hit the road back home. I'm sure Fran will be happy to see us. What do you think? Austin's a little moody because he got a little sunburned. I got a little dew. My armpit. Oh, it's annoying. We're home. We're opening all our mail. We've unpacked everything. And our Vegancuts box got here, so I thought I would show you what came in that. So we have Kibo lentil chips. What's this? Cinnamon cereal. Interesting. Here's our little card and the animal center they're supporting. And we have outstanding cheese balls. I don't think I'll like them, but I think Austin will. Cereal glitter. That seems unnecessary, but that's interesting. Okay. And we have, let's see, sparkling water. Another one of these Bakery on Main granola things, which are always delightful to get. Some very crushed sea salt seaweed snacks. And we have strawberry lemonade hydration pack thing. And another one, but this one is lemon lime. Then a Blake's birthday cake Rice Krispie treat. A blueberry almond vanilla keto granola bar. Then this last thing was wrapped up. What is this? It's hot sauce. Yes! I love hot sauce. So I'm very excited about that. This is the one that I'll definitely be using. And then we also got Fran's dish in the mail. Austin's setting up the one with the riser. We got two so we can wash them once in a while. And, oh yeah, I got these candles. That's about it. And hand soap, which is not interesting. My Kinder Beauty box was completely soaked, so my mom kindly took it all out of the box, but we'll go over that when I get to doing that video.